My daughter stopped by unannounced last Tuesday at 3 p.m. You know what? I didn't panic. I didn't scramble. I didn't frantically shove things into closets or kick clutter under the couch. Why? Because my home is always clean and organized. Not because I spend hours cleaning every day. I don't. Not because I have a housekeeper. I don't. But because I follow 12 tiny habits that take just minutes but keep everything perfectly in place. After 60-plus years of homemaking, I finally cracked the code. And today, I'm sharing every single one of these habits with you. These are so simple that you'll wonder why nobody taught you this before. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by clutter and endless cleaning, if you want a home that's always guest-ready without exhausting yourself, stay with me for the next 10 minutes. Your life is about to get so much easier. And if you're new to Senior Decluttering Diaries, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on more simple solutions like this. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, the 1-minute morning bed rule. Every single morning, as soon as I get out of bed, I make it, no exceptions. And here's my secret. I don't fuss with hospital corners or decorative pillows. I simply pull up the sheets, smooth the comforter, and fluff the pillows. Takes 1 minute, maybe less. Why does this matter? Because a made bed instantly makes your bedroom look 80% cleaner. It sets the tone for your entire day. When you walk past your bedroom, you see order instead of chaos, and that feeling carries through everything else you do. If bending is difficult for you, keep your bed simple. Use a duvet instead of multiple layers. Your goal is to make this so easy that you'll actually do it every day. Habit number 2, the kitchen counter reset. After every meal, before I even sit down to eat, I do what I call a counter reset. I put away ingredients, wipe down the counter, and place dishes directly into the dishwasher or sink. The key here is before you eat. If you clean as you cook and reset before sitting down, you'll never face that overwhelming pile of dishes after dinner. Your kitchen stays perpetually clean, and you can enjoy your meal without that nagging feeling of work waiting for you. This habit alone has probably saved me thousands of hours over the years. A clean kitchen invites you to cook healthy meals. A messy one makes you want to avoid it entirely. Habit number 3, the 2-minute tidy before bed. Every night before I go to bed, I spend just 2 minutes doing a quick walkthrough of my main living spaces. I pick up any stray items, fluff the couch cushions, fold the throw blanket, and place the remote controls in their basket. That's it. 2 minutes. But here's what happens. I wake up every morning to a clean, peaceful home. There's no morning scramble, no embarrassment if someone stops by unexpectedly, and no visual clutter starting my day on the wrong foot. This habit is about giving yourself the gift of a fresh start every single morning. Habit number 4, 1 in, 1 out. This is my golden rule for staying clutter-free. Whenever something new comes into my home, something old goes out. Bought a new sweater? Donate one from your closet. Got a new coffee mug? Let go of a chipped one. New book? Pass along one you've already read. This isn't about deprivation, it's about maintaining balance. Our homes have limited space, and if we only add without subtracting, we eventually drown in our belongings. At our age, we should be lightening our load, not adding to it. This simple rule keeps that process automatic and effortless. Habit number 5, the basket system. I keep a small basket at the bottom of my stairs and another in my main living area. As I notice items that belong elsewhere, instead of making multiple trips, I place them in the basket. Once or twice a day, when I'm naturally heading in that direction, I grab the basket and put everything away in one efficient trip. This saves energy, saves steps, and prevents that scattered feeling when you're constantly running around putting individual items away. It's especially helpful as we get older and want to preserve our energy for things we actually enjoy. Wipe it while you wait. Whenever I'm waiting for something, the coffee to brew, the microwave to finish, water to boil, I use those moments to wipe something down. Wipe the coffee maker, clean the microwave door, wipe down the bathroom sink, dust a nearby shelf. These tiny moments add up to hours of cleaning time over a week, but because you're doing them in little pockets, it never feels like a chore. You're simply making use of time that would otherwise be idle. I've trained myself to never stand idle in my home. If I'm waiting, I'm wiping.
Habit number 7, the paper purge. Every single day, as soon as I bring in the mail, I sort it immediately. I stand near my recycling bin with the mail in hand. Junk mail, straight to recycling. Bills, into my to pay folder. Important documents, filed immediately. The secret is handling paper exactly once. Don't put it down to deal with later, deal with it now when it's in your hand. Paper clutter is the #1 thing that makes homes look messy, especially for us seniors who grew up saving everything. But most paper is trash. Be ruthless and you'll be free. Habit number 8, the Sunday sweep. Every Sunday evening, I spend 15 minutes doing what I call my Sunday sweep. I walk through each room with a donation bag and remove items I no longer need, use, or love. Just 15 minutes, just one bag. Some weeks I find a lot, some weeks just a few items. But over a year, that's 52 bags of clutter leaving my home. That's transformative. The key is making it a ritual. Same day, same time, every week. It becomes as automatic as brushing your teeth. Habit number 9, vertical storage. This isn't a cleaning habit, but it's an organizing habit that keeps things tidy. I've learned to think vertically, not horizontally. Use wall hooks for bags and jackets. Install shelves up high for items you rarely use. Use stackable containers. Hang organizers on the backs of doors. When you store things vertically, you free up surface space, and clear surfaces make any room look instantly cleaner and more organized. At our age, we also want things visible and accessible. Vertical storage lets you see what you have without digging through deep drawers or cabinets. Habit number 10, the 10-item pickup. Whenever a room starts to look cluttered, I play what I call the 10-item pickup game. I challenge myself to find 10 items that don't belong and put them away. It takes less than 5 minutes, but it makes an immediate visual impact. This works especially well when you're feeling overwhelmed. Instead of thinking, I need to clean this whole room, you just think, I'll pick up 10 things. It's manageable, it's achievable, and often once you start, you keep going. Break big tasks into tiny, specific actions, and suddenly nothing feels overwhelming anymore. Habit number 11, labels are your friend. I label everything, every bin, every basket, every drawer, every shelf. Why? Because when everything has a clear home and that home is labeled, putting things away becomes automatic. There's no thinking required, no where does this go moment. And here's the bonus. When you're labeled and organized, other people in your home can help maintain the system. Your spouse, your visiting children, your caregiver, everyone knows exactly where things belong. Use a simple label maker or even just masking tape and a marker. The method doesn't matter, the clarity does. Habit number 12, the grateful walkthrough. My final habit is my favorite, and it's not about cleaning at all. It's about gratitude. Every evening, I do a slow walk through my home and notice what I'm grateful for. The comfortable chair where I read, the photos of my grandchildren, the organized closet that makes getting dressed easy, the clean kitchen ready for tomorrow. This habit keeps me motivated to maintain my space. When you're grateful for your home, you naturally want to care for it. Gratitude transforms cleaning from a chore into an act of self-care and appreciation. A clean, organized home isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a peaceful sanctuary where you can enjoy your life. My dear friends, these 12 tiny habits have completely transformed my home and my life. None of them is difficult, none takes much time, but together they create a home that's always clean, always organized, and always peaceful. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Start with just 1 or 2 of these habits, master them, then add another. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these tiny habits are you going to try first? Or do you have a tiny habit of your own that keeps your home clean? Share it in the comments below. I read every single one and I love learning from you. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries and hit that notification bell so you never miss our time together. Give this video a thumbs up if these tips inspired you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Until next time, remember, a peaceful home creates a peaceful life. Happy organizing, my friends!